is up, you guys? It's your girl TechWithNath, and today we're back with another video. Whoop whoop! If you're new here, hey sis or heavy bro, over here we do the business tea for free. You already know. I tell you, yeah, you guys, we're doing a little experiment. Okay, we're gonna see if we can make a phone case with a heat gun, like literally a heat gun. Let me pull it out for you guys. I'm not about to be using just a regular heat gun. I got this from Amazon. If you want the same exact one I have, I can link in the description for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can make a case with this, because I know some of you guys don't have a heat press, can't really afford a heat press, so you just want to look for cheaper options you can use to sublimate a phone case. And let's see if this works, okay boo? But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video, period. Alright y'all, so this is the picture that we're doing. Let me put this back a little bit. So I'm literally about to get the case. I just place it right on there like that. If you want, just for giggles, we can also add some heat tape just to keep it in place. But if you don't have heat tape to waste, I don't recommend doing this. And let me show you guys my heat tape dispenser. I love it so much. And that is linked in the description box below. But let's get into the fun part for real. So this is the heat gun I have. I will link that in the description box below as well. So I'm about to just turn it on. Just click this button right here and it turns on, and then I'm about to directly heat it up. Now this is a tempered glass sublimation case, so I do not have to flip it like how you do with metal, so I can see directly if it's sublimated or not. If you're interested in the glass sublimation cases, definitely check out my description box below. I have it linked there as well. But let's get to the fun part. Okay, I'm low-key scared. To stop because I wanted to show you guys the time. So it is currently 7:46. So let's see how long it takes us to do this. guys can see, but it's sublimating a little bit here. So we're gonna continue going and see. Y'all, my heat gun just shut off, so I have to let it cool off. So I would not be like putting it like real close anymore. I'm gonna try to just do it above. But let's continue. this is how it's looking so far. It's sublimating it a little bit. I tried to get like the words exactly, but it's kind of there, but it's gonna need some more work. Okay, but I'm gonna stop here, you guys, because your girl arm is hurting. Okay, so if I take this off, as you can see, like the picture is very vibrant still, so you can see that it has not been sublimated all the way. But if you want to go all the way, you can, but this is how it looks. It's sublimated a little bit. It's just gonna cost you more time and definitely more, you know, pressure to get that whole sublimation on there. So as you can see, this will be our finishing product, you guys. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching your girl video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And as you can see, it was a fail, but at least at least we try to make it work. Okay, so if you are interested in getting that heat gun I use, is linked in the description box below. I'm gonna try to find a more powerful one, maybe that might help, but yeah, I will link that in the description box below. But I definitely want to recommend, if you have a phone case business, to try it out that way. I recommend, you know, just getting a regular heat press and doing it that way, because baby, your girl's arms are jello. That was a lot of work. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video, you guys. Like I said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.